You are going to install a backup camera on your car. Firstly, you need a horrible electric drill. Then remove your trunk's interior panel. And if you need to handle the complex wiring, my God, this is mission impossible. Is there a true wireless backup camera? Yes. One-step installation, finished in 5 minutes. Unbelievable, it's already done. True wireless installation is so easy. AutoVox Solar Wireless Backup Camera.
Backing up shouldn't have to be a pain. Meet the Zeus Wireless Smart Backup Camera. With no wiring or drilling needed, it easily installs on your license plate in just 10 minutes. Pair with the Zeus app to instantly view everything behind you right on your smartphone and in either direction. Spot an oncoming car much earlier than what you would normally see from just your rearview mirror or other cameras. Other backup cameras give you a 140-degree view, while Zeus Backup Camera gives you a 170-degree wide-angle view. Detect pedestrians early to ensure everyone's safety. Backing up has never been easier or safer with Zeus. Zeus Wireless Smart Backup Camera by Nanda.
Introduce Lammodo VAS Pro, a dual 1080-pixel full-color night vision system and dash cam to let you drive safe at night. 8-inch high-resolution screen, 2.5D process technology, high-quality requirement. Support 128G storage. One-time record up to 30 hours, then automatically renew. With Sony CMOS chip and 7-layer glass lens, Lammodo VAS Pro can capture clear view even in darkness and make it just as daylight. The night view distance can be up to 300 meters and let you have 2 to 3 more seconds to act. Bad weather? No problem. In rainy, foggy, or snowy day, Lammodo VAS Pro still can offer excellent view. 2 ways to power on. Connect with OBD or the cigarette lighter. Then it can work. 2 ways installation. Lammodo VAS Pro can fit any car. To make a living, most of the time we are on the way. Lammodo VAS Pro can work all the time. For some people, they may have difficulties to drive at night, but with Lammodo VAS Pro, they will not miss the important time in life.
Grandpa! Hi, I can drive at night now. I won't miss your bird puppy anymore.
If we say, also need to make sure the security. One click to turn off the screen, but the cameras always work. Drive at night. Not only need to focus on the way, but also need to be cautious about unexpected conditions, such as wild animal. 45-degree front camera makes sure all clear on the way, and 170-degree 1080-pixel rear view camera can record all the things when parked. We're always on the way. Lammodo VAS Pro will always guide you.
Yes, I arrived safely.
What if your rearview mirror were more than a mirror, but an intelligent device? What if it could also show you the front and rear views and record it? Introducing the Rexing M1 Full HD Mirror Dashcam. Capture important traffic incidents with a wide-angle lens and high dynamic range night vision. M1's front camera captures 1296p Full HD video and records audio inside the cabin. The large touchscreen display is multifunctional and easy to use. The built-in gravity sensor auto-detects collisions, and M1 immediately records any accidents, even when the ignition is off. The emergency video lock feature ensures that critical recordings won't get overwritten. As a dual-camera system, M1 also has a rear camera. The rear camera is waterproof and temperature-resistant. A wide-angle lens and real-time streaming helps you reduce blind spots. Regular firmware updates and product support means you can enjoy feature enhancements and improvements in performance and security. Rexing M1 Full HD Mirror Dashcam. Engineered for quality. Designed for reliability.
At Type S, we've been on a mission to make the best backup camera for over 10 years. For many customers, installation was always the hardest part. This is the old way. It's complicated, it's frustrating, it takes way too much time. This is the new way. Introducing the HD Quick Connect wireless backup cam. A wireless camera so easy to install, you can have your kid do it. No more wires or drilling into your car. Simply mount the camera over the license plate and back up with confidence. After an initial charge, the camera is 100% solar powered. Thanks, son.
You're welcome, Dad.
Even when it's cloudy, rainy, or snowy, the battery will keep its charge. When you step into your vehicle, the 5-inch HD monitor wakes up and shows you what's behind you. In HD, wirelessly. So get your HD Quick Connect wireless backup cam today and have your kid install it. Seriously. Seriously?
Tired of not being able to see out your rearview mirror? EchoMaster's PMK JP01 kit removes any obstructions like the backseat headrest and spare tires. Even if you have a spare tire on the back or go mudding and can't see out your dirty soft top, you'll now have a clear view of what's behind you. This kit replaces your factory rearview mirror and utilizes a camera to put an unobstructed view of behind your Jeep right in your mirror. You can even go between the camera input and regular mirror with the press of a button or flick of a switch. Now every ride you take will be safer and easier. Whether you're towing something behind you, keeping an eye out for your trailmates, or just heading into work, the full HD camera and screen will make sure you don't miss a thing. The camera has a 70-degree viewing angle, so your new mirror will show way more than you could see before. This kit also features an additional camera input, so you can add a backup camera or any other camera you want for extra visibility. You can even add a switcher and make the options unlimited. It comes with a completely redesigned mounting bracket made with thick 12-gauge steel to prevent vibrations and features a zinc-infused dipspin coating that provides absolute protection from the elements. Regardless of where the openings are in your wheel, the mounting bracket allows for adjustment to achieve the perfect view. Our included installation instructions makes putting in your new camera incredibly easy. It features a plug-and-play harness, so you don't have to do any wiring. This is a universal system that you can use in any vehicle. But if you have a Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator, this kit comes with specialized hardware that makes installation even easier. Get this new rearview mirror replacement kit today to make every trip safer and leave no trailmate behind.